How to integrate with an active scanning user script as a result of an alert. User script functionality was designed to integrate with third-party systems via the inbuilt REST client in a simple, dynamic, and flexible way. If configured, each of the alerts generated in Sycope creates a post request containing a full set of information, including all details in JSON format. They can be freely parsed and analyzed directly by any proprietary system type like CM, ticketing system, or custom-purpose scripts. Example presented here is a custom solution, which reacts to alerts and conducts a port scan on the suspicious IP identified by Sycope. The application is called IP Scanner, and it is written in Flask and SQLite+. It is being containerized on top of Alpine Linux. It is listening on port 5001, reacts to post messages, and, if proper format is identified, conducts a scan and saves the result under Alert ID identification. Scan results can be reviewed locally in the application or accessed directly from Sycope's UI, which will be shown in a second. We will clear the application scan database before we move any further with our example. Firstly, we need to configure the REST client object in accordance with our application parameters. We will create an external destination and choose the REST client configuration template. Now, we need to fill the required information. We will use details of the IP Scanner application, but it could be any other application capable of listening and parsing post messages in JSON format. We will use the information you can see on the screen now. Method, post. Path, port scan. Host 172.164.2.155, port 5001, protocol HTTP. We have the REST configuration ready. Let's assign it to one of the rules. We will choose the horizontal scan template, as this one has client IP included in the alert's details by default. We will do two things now. Firstly, we change the name to IP Scanner of the rule for easier identification. Then we assign the previously set up REST configuration as a new rule result action. Basic configuration is done. From now on, each time an alert is created, it is not only saved in the database, but also the alert's details will be sent to the IP Scanner application. Okay, let's see if we have any results already. Yes, we do. There have been 2 alerts already, and each of them should initiate a scan in our application. Let's have a look. We have 2 scans in the database, just as expected. We can also drill down to scan details. The scan was done utilizing the Nmap tool with parameters which can be easily customized. As we saw already, the scan database is not empty. So how to simplify the scan review process? Let's configure the right-click action which will show me scan results in the context of a specific alert. To configure it, we need a name and an IP Scanner URL, followed by a param expression, HTTP+, IP+, port+, param. These are the elements required here. As you can see, all the scans have names based on alert IDs. Let's find alerts created by our rule first. We can use the configured right-click action on the alert ID field. Bingo! We have individual scan results which were initiated by this specific alert.